Welcome. Today topic necessary basic commands in AutoCAD software. We're going to see functional keys, control keys, finally command allies. Now what is function keys? There are total 12 functional keys. First key is F1 quick online help center. So now I'm in CAD. So now I'm going to give F1. So the Autodesk help center will be open. F2 display command history. So now I am going to take line tool. So just I am drawing a rough one line here. Then I am going to draw circle. Now if I press F2, the history will be generated here. F3 turn on object snap or turn off object snap. The object snap is useful to find out midpoint endpoints. So I need to on F3. So now the object snap will on. If I take now line command and I just place cursor on that existing line, here we can get the endpoint, midpoint. F4 is 3D object snap on or off. F4 will use in 3D screen. So now I'm going to create 3D view in this AutoCAD software. This is view cube. So in this view cube nearby we have this home symbol. So this home symbol is known by default 3D view. So once I select this home symbol, the view turns into 3D. So now 3 direction X, Y, Z. I am going to draw box, search box in command panel, and we are going to draw box here. Take line tool and I need to on 3D snap. So this is F4 command 3D snap. So then we can get our endpoints, midpoints on 3D view. So the F3 command is object snap on or off, and F4 is 3D object snap on or off. F5 changing isoplane views. We need to know what is isoplane. 30-degree aligned view. So it's known by 2.5D view. Okay, isometric view is not an 2D view and it's not an 3D view. Now we going to isometric view. So this is the tool, isometric drawing view. So if I click this, the entire screen will be changed to isometric view. So in this isometric view, grid will be 30-degree angle aligned. Draw line here. The line will be on 2 axes, top, front, top, front. So if I need to change the line direction, we need to use F5. The F5 command is used to change the isoplane direction. So now I am going to press F5. Left side and right side we can create line. Next F6 dynamic UCS is used to pick faces of object in 3D view, and we can create another object on that selected face. To open 3D view, this is view cube. So in this view cube nearby we have this home symbol. Select this home symbol, the view turns into 3D. I am going to draw box, search box in command panel, and we are going to draw box here. In 3D view we need to change the visual style from 2D wireframe to hidden. We are going to draw one cylinder on this face. So I need to select faces. So for that I need to on F6. So F6 is dynamic UCS. So now search cylinder, and then we can draw cylinder on any particular face. Again I am going to draw one cylinder. I am going to off F6. So the dynamic UCS is off. So now I don't have an option to select face of object. So again I am going to on F6. So now we have an option. We can draw cylinder on any face like this. So the F6 command is used to pick any faces of object, and in that face we can develop another shape. Next command F7 is used to display grid on or off. So if I press F7, we can off grid, and again if I press F7, grid will be visible. Next F8 is ortho command is used to lock cursor either on horizontal or vertical axis. I am creating one line here. So the line we can create on 360-degree angle. If I need to draw line straight for 4 direction, we need to on F8. So now I am going to on F8. The line will be on 4 direction like this: east, south, west, north. If I off F8, we can create the line on 360-degree angle. Next, F9 is the command is used to set cursor movement to be restricted to define grid intervals. So the F9 command name snap. So this is the grid lines, we know that already. So if I take line, I need to on F9. If I draw a line, the line will be on grid intervals. The cursor will be stopped on each and every grid intervals. We cannot move cursor freely. I am going to off F9. So the snap will be off. Now we can freely draw. So there is no restriction in between grid intervals. Next, F10 is polar command used to create specified angle. So now I am going to on F10. So now the polar command is on. Draw straight line. I need 90-degree line. So now I need 30-degree line. Take line. So 30-degree I am going to create line. Now 28-degree. So move cursor. Now 30-degree. Okay, so this is polar command. Next, F11 object snap tracking. I am going to draw line here. So just I am roughly created line here. I am going to create another line by using line tool. On F11 object snap tracking, place cursor on any point of line, drag cursor like this. The green color imaginary line will be visible. We can continue line like this. So this is useful to for alignment. We will use F11. F12 display or hide specifying command shortcut near to cursor. Search any tools in command bar. So click inside command bar. Now I am going to type line, line, and then enter. So we can create line. Now I am going to close this command bar. Press F12. Type line. Below cursor the command will be visible. So these 12 keys comes under function keys. Next tool, control plus keys. Control Q is used to quit. Need to close this AutoCAD software. Give control Q shortcut. So whether you need to save the file or not, it's your choice. Next, control E, changing isoplane view. We already seen how to change the isoplane view. Control Y, redo. Okay, control Y is redo. If I do control Z is undo. The work will be undo. Now I am going to redo. So by using control Y. Control U, polar on or off. Control O is used to open another AutoCAD file. If I press control O, I am going to select this file, open. So now we can see the file here. Control P is used to create plot, converting AutoCAD diagram file to PDF format. So the command is control P is used to open plot. Control A, select all. I am going to create a circle or select that line. So I need to select all these together by using control A. Next key, control S, is used to save diagram file on particular location. So if I give control S, we can save our file. Control D, dynamic UCS. We already seen what is dynamic UCS. To select our particular faces of element on 3D view. We already seen. F6 command is used to on dynamic UCS or off dynamic UCS. Same control D is also we can use to on dynamic UCS or off dynamic UCS. Next, control F, object snap on or object snap off. So we have already seen F3. So the F3 command is object snap is used to identify the midpoint or endpoint of any element. So that same command we can on by using control F. Next, control G is used to on or off grid. We can use control G to off and on the grid. Next, control L, ortho on or ortho off. Ortho means we already seen. F8 command is used to create line on straight 4 directions. So the ortho command we can operate by using F8 or otherwise control L. Next, control Z, undo. Control X, cut clip, we can cut selected object. So now I am going to select these all things together and I give Control X. The command will be cut clip. Next, Control C, this is copy clip, we can copy selected object. So I am just drawing circle here, so just select that circle and give Control C. So this is copy clip. Next, Control V, paste clip, we can paste copy clip object. I need to select this circle and give Control C. So if I press Control V, we can copy and paste the element. Now I am going to select this circle and I give Control X, cut clip, so I can cut the object, and if I give Control V, we can paste the object. So we can cut and paste or we can copy and paste. Next command, to operate snap on or snap off. So snap command we can operate by using F9 or Control B. Next, Control N is used to open new drawing file. So if I press Control N, we can give open here to create another new file, or otherwise just press this plus icon to create new file. Next, Control M, Autodesk AutoCAD online help will open automatically. So these all control plus keys commands. Next we are going to see what is command alias. So the definition, command alias in AutoCAD software is used to create one shortcut keys for commands. So now we can see the procedure to create command alias. Open Express tool tab in AutoCAD software. Select this Express tools, then in tools choose command alias. Okay, this is tools, press command alias, press add, select AutoCAD command. Okay, this is AutoCAD command, we need to type command. So now I am going to give circle, then give alias key to command. Okay, so this is alias place. For circle shortcut I am going to give C1. Okay, any command we can give and then give OK. If I open CAD software now, we can draw circle by using directly select the circle command and draw circle, or otherwise the shortcut we created now C1. Okay, C1 also circle, so we can draw circle here. So these three topics we discussed today: function keys, control keys, command alias.